Aloha Kindergarten Ohana. Over the last couple of weeks for science, we've been learning about plants and trees. Ms. Jones taught you about what plants need to survive. What do they need? They need sunlight, they need rain, they need soil. And Ms. Stratton started to teach you this week about some very special trees that we have on Hawaii Island. And she asked you to compare and contrast them. Starting this week, what I'd like you to do is look at our neighborhood trees. So when you walk outside, you walk around your neighborhood with your families, I want you to take a good look around and notice some of the beautiful trees that you might have in your own yard or that might grow in your neighborhood. So for example, today I went for a walk in my own yard and around my neighborhood, and I found some really beautiful trees. And as I looked at the trees, I also remembered that some of these trees produce fruit that I love. So that's another word we're going to focus on starting this week is fruit. You've learned parts of plants and trees now like roots and stems and leaves. And you know, we eat a lot of those things, but we also eat fruits. So here are some of the fruits I found. I wonder if you know what they are. I found this big guy on a really tall tree, and they grow in a clump way up at the top. Do you know what this is? That's right, it's a papaya. And the papaya, if you cut it open, is full of little black seeds. Another fruit that I found in my yard was this little guy. It's yellow and it's a sphere, and it tastes delicious, but it grows everywhere. This is a guava. The other fruit that I found grows in bunches, and I bet you guys like these. I found this. And did you know that I really like to take some of these and some of these and blend them together to make a delicious smoothie? And we're going to talk about that in Seesaw, but not just yet. So for this, starting this week, I would like you to go into Seesaw after you've gone for a nice walk around your neighborhood and see if you can identify some of our neighborhood trees and the fruits that they produce. I have some photographs of the trees in my neighborhood and the fruits that they produce, and I would like to see if you can match them. And then I want you to think more about this word, seed. And think about the fruit you love and what would happen if you opened them up. Would it have seeds inside? So I would also like you to read a story about plant parts, learn more about seeds, and then you can draw a fruit that you like, or a plant, or a tree, and try to label those parts that you now know. Seeds, roots, stems, and leaves. Enjoy walking your neighborhood and looking for neighborhood trees, Kindergarten Ohana. I'll see you soon.